Oh, my name is Terry Brewer, and I'm Rachel's uncle. Rachel has asked me to make a little presentation on Florida gardening, which I don't consider myself an expert. Um, I was a master gardener in Indiana, but it's a completely different ballgame here. But I'll take you through some of the plants that I have and what some of the things I've learned. This is a bamboo plant we're looking at right here now. There's two kinds. This is a clumping bamboo. There's also the running bamboo. So this clumping variety, it pretty much stays in place and it does expand somewhat. But the running variety, if you have that, pretty soon it takes over your whole yard, and I think it probably even take over your house. So I'm going to go over to my neighbor's house because I want to show you some mangoes, and mangoes are quickly have become my absolute favorite fruit. So here's Brian's mango tree, and there's some lovely mangoes, and they're going to be ripe probably, well, it'll probably be another couple of weeks at least. So wouldn't be a flower garden without a rose, so I'm trying to help this rose along. They don't do as well down here as they did in central Indiana. Here's my pet turtle here too. So I showed you that big tall croton. Well, this is a baby croton that came from that plant. I had several more of them. Here's another one. It's Bev's Christmas cactus. They just finished blooming for the second time just recently. And here's another croton. This is a real beautiful plant here. This is called frangipani. I think of French panties. That makes me remember the name of the tree. Very fragrant, very fragrant. This is a Crepe Myrtle. It's not in bloom right now. Soon will be. Another frangipani here in the foreground. And this little tree here is a kumquat tree. I planted it about 2 years ago, and we got enough kumquats off of it to make a few pints of kumquat preserve, so I'm looking forward to that again. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something about gardening Florida. See you later, Rachel.